Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Sign into the account on webmail to confirm credentials and server settings, because bad auth or wrong host blocks sync. Once done, make sure Outlook is fully updated and restart it, since version mismatches cause folder subscription failures. Next, temporarily disable VPN or proxy and check your connection and mailbox quota, because network routing or a full mailbox can prevent folder synchronization. Now you perform the middle, decisive steps. First, run Outlook repair commands or use account settings repair to refresh the profile. This resets folder indexes that often break subscriptions. If that does not fix it, remove and recreate the account as a map or exchange and explicitly subscribe to the folders using folder and map folders, because the subscription list can desynchronize. Also, reset the local OSD cache by renaming. To finish, enable or adjust cached mode for Exchange so Outlook efficiently syncs subscribed folders. This reduces repeated full syncs. Then monitor the send/receive progress and verify folders populate. If problems persist and you are comfortable, use MFC Mappy carefully to clear corrupted folder sync state, because that directly removes stale subscription metadata. If none of this works, collect sync logs and escalate to your admin or Microsoft support with the steps you tried so they can analyze server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.